fry it quick. Black pepper, I also want to add a paprika. Okay, now I will place our beautifully chicken breast here. I'm using this baking pan. It's because it perfectly fits here, the one chicken breast. So I'm just gonna wait until the oven is ready, and then I can put this in the oven and bake this for 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes. And then some foil, cover it with foil. Should be yummy-licious once it's done. And I just covered it with some parchment and foil to get the meat cooked evenly and quickly. So that's how it looks like, and it is going now in the oven. I also have some packages here I want to open. I got them this weekend from the post office. Who this from? So we're gonna find out. It looks like it looks like a lingerie, guys. I'm just going to open it up to find out what is inside of this bag. Oh, it's I think it's a stocking. It is actually bodysuit. It's a black stocking. It's really nice too. It's a body stocking, I think. Yeah, it is a body stocking. So thank you for the gift. It's very nice. So let's move on to the next one. This is so cute. Next item, please. So this is like different colors of, let me read. It's a fish net. Oh, it's a fishnet stockings. They are all the same, I think. guys, here's our food. Time for me to take a bite and end the video here. I hope you like this. I hope you do. This is for you. So let me cut it in the middle. The cabbage is really cooked inside and it is so tender and juicy, as you can see. Very nice in the middle, very well cooked inside, and very juicy. First bite for all of you. Thank you guys so much for joining. I will end the video here. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.